Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I managed to achieve these space buns. Like, they're super cute, and let's go. Let's start. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and also share. Of course, I always start my morning with like combing out my hair, just, you know, fixing up my roots and shit, like putting some oil. So for this style, we're gonna need like a comb, brush, bands, hair clips, and we're good to go. Normally when I'm doing my hair, I always comb out the ends because I basically just came from like a twist out. So just comb out your ends, brush out your ends, however you guys like to do it, and you guys should be fine. So of course, after detangling your hair, just don't forget to leave a part because this is very important for doing the hair. So once you leave the part, make sure you take like 2 sections at the front of your hair from middle of the part all the way down from your ear. So you're gonna do that on your one side and do it on the other side. Once complete, don't forget to pin out the excess hairs once so it don't get like tangled up with the 2 parts that you just created. Once you do that, just moving out your sections and make it look neat and tidy. Take the 2 sections and braid it coming down, starting from the top all the way down. You don't have to braid all the way to the ends, but me, I just decided to braid all the way to the ends because at the end of the day it's going to be pinned up in the buns. So just know you don't have to like braid all the way to the ends. Once one side is complete, just do the same thing on your right side, on the left, and it should be all good. Just moving out the other section and continue to braid it like we did for the first side. And once that's finished, like I said, you don't have to braid it all the way to the ends, but I just choose to. But at the end of it, we're just going to be doing with the back part. So of course, unpin the excess hair, and don't forget to like make a middle part all the way from the top till the back of your head. So I'm not sure if I did mention it, but just note like we're parting all the way back. For this type, you can either use bands or bobby pins, but I just use bands. Grab like a band. You could use like any rubber bands or hair bands, anything so, and just grab the back section and the braided section and combine it together to like make a nice little bun. Of course, I didn't like how it turned out, so I just made it bigger, and once you finish, just do that on the other side and you should be good to go. Oh child, I'm actually loving these buns. Like, I'm not really an expert on hair, but this is like the first time that I actually did my hair in some type of style other than a high one. So I hope you guys like the video because the hair looks really nice. The hair looks so nice. So of course, I'm going to take some after shots for you guys so you guys will see what it actually looked like, how I managed to like pull off this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the channel, and if this video was helpful, feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, head over on my Instagram at these creates for more videos. Bye.